Now let's start today's episode. Earlier WDG4G locomotive of Indian Railways testing on the GE test track in USA. Snowstorm created by Shinkansen during winter season. First of all, it's a huge difference, guys. Subscribe to the channel also. If you want to feature your video on this channel, submit it to link given in description. Also, thanks button is activated if you like the video. Anyone know why the diesel engine is throwing this much fire? Steam locomotive with a freight train consisting of cement wagons. Rail machines regulating ballast near Yazoo City in Mississippi. Due to bus driver's mistake, minibus got hit by train. Icy overhead wire causing pantograph sparking. All the sources will be linked in the description. Thanks for watching and we will meet next week.